Thinking about buying a VPN but aren't sure which one to trust? Today we are diving into a real-world VPN showdown between ExpressVPN and its top rivals. No fluff, just the key facts you need. By the end, you will know if ExpressVPN really is the best VPN for you, or if another premium option fits better. And yes, discount links are already in the description. Server coverage. Fact 1. ExpressVPN supports servers in over 105 countries, across 160 locations. That gives you unmatched global access, even rare regions like Laos, Mongolia, and virtual India servers. If you want coverage even in obscure regions, that alone makes ExpressVPN a top pick. Security. Now, regarding security, ExpressVPN holds official IOXT certification for its app security. That means independent validation of secure app architecture and privacy safeguards. It also uses trusted servers, RAM-only tag, wiping all data and reboot, nor persistent logs, and its proprietary lightweight protocol delivers AES-256 encryption with high performance. If certified audited security is important to you, ExpressVPN has you covered. Extra privacy. ExpressVPN pioneered trusted server RAM-only technology, so no logs are ever stored. Case Password Manager is now built in, letting you save unlimited credentials securely across devices, at no extra cost. They also offer split tunneling, DNS leak protection, and even a basic ad blocker. Aircove Router. ExpressVPN now has Aircove and Aircove Go Wi-Fi 6 routers with built-in VPN protection. No manual setup needed. They support digital device grouping and guest Wi-Fi plus post-quantum ML KAM encryption updates. Perfect if you want whole home VPN protection without fiddling with router settings. Pricing. Yes, ExpressVPN is pricey, starting at $667 per month on annual plans or $12.95 monthly. But you get certified security, wide coverage, router support, and the password manager. They do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, as do most premium VPNs. History. ExpressVPN is owned by Cape Technologies, which had past controversies. But ExpressVPN remains transparent. Public fixes, audits, lightweight open source in 2021, and zero logs enforced. ExpressVPN is the most audited service, which is extremely important to mention in this review. In total, the provider has 20+ audits. Speed and performance. How fast is ExpressVPN really? We tested it in the UK, US, and Japan from Europe, and the results were strong. UK servers had just an 18% drop in download speed. Even faraway Japan only lost about 43%, still very usable. Upload speeds stayed fast too, perfect for content creators. Lightweight Turbo isn't quite as fast as NordVPN's NordLynx, but it's still one of the top performers in real-world use. Final take. So should you buy ExpressVPN? Pick ExpressVPN if you want a fast, easy-to-use VPN for global content and gaming, certified audited security, built-in tools like a password manager, and Aircove Router, simply set up across all devices. Links below offer the best deals with money-back guarantees. If this video helped, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.